Hey everyone, this is Maldonado with Hit Kit Club. Today I'm using the February kits. They're beautiful. I'm going to be using the embellishment kit and the pocket life kit. There's a new die that I think everyone is going to love, and it is an embroidery hoop style die that has two different sizes. I'm going to be lifting ELISA. I'm going to tag her below so you can check her out. And this is what we're going to make. So I measured my inside of the embroidery hoop first, and then I made sure I printed my photo large enough to have the whole inside of the embroidery hoop filled with the photo. I am bringing in some of last month's kit, which coordinates perfectly with the February kits. So that's a good way to stretch your product. If you think you're done with the current month's kit, wait until you see next month, because a lot of that can be brought forward and used with that as well. So I printed this half wreath cut file that Kim made, and I duplicated it and cut it twice. And I'm going to use it as a full wreath to mimic ELISA's layout a little bit more. What I'm doing here is I've cut a piece of paper from the new kit, the February kit, to have it go around my photo. When I back it with the foam tape, if you remove the back of the foam tape off of it, you can manipulate the foam tape a lot easier. It bends and does whatever you want it to do. It won't do that if you keep the backing on. So I went ahead and I tacked down the die or the cut file pieces that I had, and then I put together the embroidery hoop and used the photo in the center. So one of the things that I used from last month are the embellishments, because there were so many that I wanted to bring those forward again this month. But ELISA used leaves and I chose to use flowers. So it's very similar, but I changed it quite a bit as well. You can see the resemblance at the end when I show you both of the layouts again. I went around, picked out a bunch of flower pieces, placed them all around my leaves, or on top of the die cut. I said leaves because that's what she used. So I've got quite a few placed in here with all kinds of different color leaves, because she also went back after she did her die cut leaves, and she inserted leaves that were a little bit like branches, and it was stunning. So I wanted to kind of replicate that as well. Then from this month, I used these chipboard stickers, and I plugged those into different areas. And you can see in a second that I needed another one, because I wanted your eye to go all the way around it and have enough of those whiter type flowers stuck in where it looks like a triangle as opposed to just sporadic placement of them. There you go. That's where I put it. I'm going to put it over there. I'm going to try to, I think. These embellishments are gorgeous this month too. They're a little bit more mute than last month, but they blend so well together. I don't have my layout right in front of me. I wanted to read that sentiment to you. It's really cool. I think you'll really like that when you see the close-up. Be sure to read the red label. I went ahead and picked from this month's embellishment, or not embellishment kit, but from the main kit, the little ephemera packet, and brought in a few of those flowers as well, and a few other things. There was a sentiment in there that said something about a tribe, so I used that. And these stickers that I used are so cute. I love them, and I grabbed those from the Pocket Life kit. And now these dots that I'm using from last month. So you can see I'm going back and forth, using old, using new, using old, using new. But here's a little technique. I just add a little bit of temporary adhesive behind my label, draw some light pencil marks, and then I have something to write on, and then my tag there will not move while I'm writing on it because it has adhesive. And then I can just erase the unwanted lines, and then I can back it with foam tape and apply it down to my layout. And it's just a lot easier. It's just something that I've always done. It's much easier for me than to try to hang on to it. And that was pretty small tag. So on ELISA's layout, she put a bunch of strips where I'm putting some journaling and my title and the other two little strips of wording that you see. I'm adding my date on that little ticket that you see there. And then my layout is pretty well done. she splattered paint, and I use the puffy dots. So it gives you the same idea without getting all messy. So I hope you love this layout. I hope you're inspired. There it is. Couldn't do it without you. I thought that was perfect for my little squad of friends. Anyway, thanks for coming by. All the information you need will be down below, and I will see you next time. Thank you.